Hello guys, this is Eleutheria from Eleutheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we give you a couple of tips on Pinterest affiliate marketing and how to start on Pinterest. You can actually sign up for the right products. I mean, a lot of people they sign up straight away for everything. This is not the correct way. Find a product, a service that you don't actually have and promote it out there. On Pinterest, there is so many ways you can do it by putting your affiliate links into your blog post, and you can also promote your blog post into Pinterest and generating a lot of money. You can do like for me the $5,000 having the right strategy. For example, choosing by doing also the direct links. You can tag your products if you want to do that. And also you can actually have it on, for example, as I say, on the blog post, a promoter blog post. But finding the right products, and then you can see if you, for example, get like $9, it's not going to help you. Then you need to see how many people you need to sign up. So make sure you sign up as I do it for the products that are giving me the highest revenue. And then being on Pinterest, the pins, and as I say, don't just pin all of it with the same products. Make sure you check out the previous video that I did, get the Pinterest tips, so in order, to get a lot of conversions. You can do it directly. You're allowed to do it directly with your affiliate links or your pins, but also don't forget, if you can use like Genius Leaks, some people they use the Genius Leaks to track conversions. But again, you can see your traffic or your main boards when you using, any affiliate products. There is different affiliate companies that you have thousands of products. Make sure you're using the right one for you, not just sign up for everything. And you can make sure you started like from, as I say, from $5,000 a month. It will be great. And then share it in your Pinterest with your group boards, with your your own boards, and make sure you share it with your community and share other people's pins as well. So the other thing you can do is to tag the products to give you some sort of visibility, but also check the keywords, find titles on your pin that is relevant with the product that you are selling, not just put like how to do this. Make sure you are very direct, so make your pins clickable, and then you can see again what is converting. The other thing you can do is to create landing pages and then promote those landing pages to the relevant communities, and make sure maybe you increase your traffic because it's important to have traffic. Using this strategy, you can generate a lot of extra income, and then you can see what is working and what is not. I also have a free PDF. I will put the link below on this video for you to check it out on how to write the right blog posts that convert in advance. For example, audience, and then for beginners if you want to. So writing the right blog post, you can get a lot of conversions, and also it gives you a lot of traffic. Again, find the right keywords is very important, because everything is going to help you rank high. Remember that. Pinterest affiliate marketing on Pinterest is very easy. If you follow the right strategy, you can get an extra income. Sometimes you can do manual pinning. That is very good, for your smart feed. Remember that, it's really good. It gives you a lot of views, and it's going to push up your account. You can do scheduling as well. As I say, you can connect it with your Tailwind, you can connect with other schedulers, but make sure, again, it will give you more views and you get the clicks. That's very important. Manually is really help Pinterest users to get what they want. And again, create new content. Don't create the same pins with like 5-6 pins with the same blog post, the same URL. It's not going to help you. So make sure you follow those 3 or 4 steps. I will leave the free PDF down to get you a lot of ideas. It's simple. It's not a big ebook. You can read it and get a lot of ideas. Don't forget to like this video, comment below if you need any help, and have a great day.